got to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So I've spent a good 15 minutes or so with this car, going panel by panel like we do with every car, looking for any imperfections. Especially a car like this that is pretty much brand new, you want to know the nitty-gritty. So everything on this side is absolutely perfect. This car does have about 4 or 5 really small rock chips, with some of them here on the front, and then there is a tiny one back here on the corner. So I will show you those. So it's not absolutely perfect, but it is basically a brand new car. They did drive it back from the museum, and so it did sustain a couple rock chips. There's no PPF on this car. I still think with the color, it's so simple to do a really good touch-up job on those little spots and do a full PPF on this thing. And so looking at that front right wheel, absolutely perfect, beautiful finish, carbon ceramics, nice and clean. Barrels look amazing. Mirror finish to that, bright red calipers. Fender looks perfect, mirror looks amazing. Making our way down the door, looks awesome. Tons of carbon. All the carbon is incredible. No rock chips here on that edge. All of this looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Carbon galore, just everything. It looks amazing. Right there is a tiny chip. You can just barely feel that. And then we have a little one right there. It's very subtle. A couple of these little spots are just like little bug splatter that didn't get fully wiped off, but that one actually is a little chip. There's a tiny one on the carbon right there. That looks good. That all looks nice. That all looks good. Nice and clean. Zero curb rash on that splitter. You can see under there. Looks perfect. All the way around. So like I said, on those little rock chips, they're really minor. There's not one that's just nasty that is in your face. It's all very subtle. Got the carbon here. Looks good. Front end looks awesome though. Like I said, there's one more on that back corner. We'll go to that in just a second. Fender looks good, wheels perfect. The finish on those looks incredible. The carbon, mirror looks good. A-pillar nice and clean. All of that looks good. This is the one chip. It's just right there. The rest of that looks good. Bottom side looks awesome. Beautiful, beautiful car. Like I said, that was the only flaws that I could find. I've already scanned through all of this, inches away. Looks incredible. Absolutely gorgeous interior. It's a bloodbath in here, just all red. Looks incredible. Carbon galore. Smells brand new. Here on the door panel, looks absolutely perfect. Upper side looks good, nice and clean, zero imperfections there. Trim looks nice. Here's your sticker for the museum delivery. Still looks perfect. I don't see any flaws anywhere in here. Looking at the steering wheel, looks perfect. Carbon looks amazing. I'm not seeing any scuffs or scratches anywhere. We're just scanning through the panels here. Upper side looks good. Edge looks nice. Bottom's perfect. I don't see any flaws on that door panel. The trim looks good. Floor mats still have the plastic on it, and then you have the red ones in the trunk. Just incredible. Love the refresh with the buttons gone now. Really digging this interior. Then you have everything in here that came with the car new. Here's your window sticker, $224,498. I'll have pictures of this so you can see all the options. It is laminated. It's a massive MSRP there. Feel free to pause that. Basically everything that was upgraded, like a little factory, like the safety kit, all of that, everything is included. There's your museum delivery. This is as if you were picking it up new. You will get everything. Got the carbon in here, blue. Let's see if I can't get close here. See that? Who built it? Pause there. That looks good.